Today, I will walk you through the steps to connect your Azure Windows virtual machines from a Windows system. We will use the remote desktop protocol, set up the required tool on Windows, and successfully establish a connection to our Windows machine. So let's get started. The first step is to access the Azure portal from your Windows system using a browser. Once logged into the Azure portal, navigate to the resource page for your virtual machine. For this, I will be connecting to my virtual machine named AppVM. On the virtual machine's resource page, locate the connect button and click it to open the connection options. Now, we will be connecting using the public IP address of the virtual machine. Now here it is our public IP address. Now let's prepare our Windows system for the remote desktop connection. On your machine, open the Windows Store and search for Microsoft Remote Desktop. Once it appears, click the Get button and then click to install to download the application. The installation process is quick and straightforward. Once completed, Microsoft Remote Desktop will be ready to use. As you can see here, now I have already downloaded the Microsoft Remote Desktop application, so I will open it, and here it is the interface of our Remote Desktop application. Now next, go back to the Azure portal and copy the public IP address. Now I will copy the public IP address, and using the public IP address we will connecting the Azure virtual machines, it means Windows, to our physical device through the IP address using the remote desktop protocol. Now open the Microsoft Remote Desktop. Now open the Microsoft Remote Desktop app. You will see an option Add. Click on this option and select the PC's options. And enter your public IP address here and click on Save, and let's connect. Now let's click on it. You will be now prompted to enter the credentials for your virtual machine. Use the username and password you created during the VM setup process. Now I will enter the username and password. Once entered the username and password, click the connect button. Now click on to connect anyway button, and it will start connecting to our Windows virtual machine. So wait for it for successfully complete. And there we go. We are now connected to the Windows server running on Azure. The full Windows environment is now accessible directly from your physical device. To summarize, we log in into the Azure portal from Windows, install Microsoft Remote Desktop from the, and using the public IP address, we can successfully connect it to our Windows virtual machines. This process ensures a seamless connection from our physical device, it means Windows device, to Azure's Windows environment, making it easy to manage your virtual machines regardless of your operating system.